Oh look, there's some jumps. Yo, that's awesome looking. Did I turn left here?
Your destination is on the left.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today we are out here at Riveter Bike Park. And that thing is a really tall wooden takeoff to a huge landing. There's a rafter next to the hand-up flag with Seth. So unfortunately it's gonna rain later today, so they have the black line closed, but the blue line is still a lot of fun. And I haven't hit this trick jump yet, and that looks crazy. And then they always have the canopy, which I haven't hit yet, because I'm just gonna wait till it rains and go underneath there. Anyways, let's kick it off and do some jumps. Here we go. Woo. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty windy. I think that's one reason why the black line's closed. But we're gonna check that blue line here. Starts out with a nice little tiny rock drop into two really tight, fast berms, into a little bridge you can air out of, a little scrub roller, into a nice jump to another one here. Last one's a little bit hard to get over. There we go. Now if you're really pumped for it and crank for it, you can actually clear this. Just barely. Hey, we found Raffer. He's got a dirt jumper actually. I've never do jumps too steep. Watch that guy.
It's not hard.
He's sort of just pushing through them. That looks like a lot of fun. I'll try that. Pull me in for the first time. Well, that's a lot of fun. Whoa! Rafferty, what are you doing to me? What if you go up here? Ah! Naughty, naughty. Okay, let's try the black line now. That was lame. Okay, second try at black. Ah! Overshot it. Okay, let's get the second one this time. Never mind. Really windy. We got most of the place to ourselves just because of the rain and stuff, but we got this little canopy area to mess around with, and Raptor can show us something that you figured out. Do little transfers and stuff. Drop. Nice!
Pedal, watch this guy, so pedal right there, stop right there, and then pedal.
Nice!
And then pedal right there like that guy.
Not that way. Go! Not too windy right now.
There's like nobody here now.
I know, it's nice.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was clean. Whoa! Which guy? Dude, you did a manual across that. That was awesome. All right, it's a rainy day back here in Tennessee. And you know what that means. Rainy days are for trail building. So, this is the final flyout on the backyard line. I'm just making it steeper and actually building a proper landing for it. Anyways, that was all the clips that I got from Riveter. And I wish I had videoed more outside before it started raining. I did do the trick jump and stuff, which is a lot of fun. There was a lot of airtime on it, which sort of made me want to build this jump better so I could have some airtime, maybe learn like a no-hander or something on it. Something exciting happened to the channel this week. We got to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for all you guys' support. The more subscribers I have, the more it makes me want to post videos regularly and produce better content for you guys. So this will be a project for the next week. Get it working really well. We're just spicing everything up here at the trails, making everything run smoothly. And that'll be all next week. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.